We're going to continue looking at half-life calculations. This is the first example you are going to write in your notebook, example 1, length of multiple half-lives, and this is still on notebook page 64. This is the formula we just talked about, and this is the information for the question that you need to have in your notebook, and here's the question. The information says carbon-14 emits beta radiation and decays with a half-life of T1/2. This is the symbol for half-life of 5,730 years. Assume you start with a mass of 2.00 times 10 to the negative 12 grams of carbon-14, and this is the question we're going to answer using that information. The question is, how long are 3 half-lives for this particular isotope? So earlier, or in the previous video, we discussed this particular formula, and that is only used to calculate mass in grams. So let's go back and look at the question and see if we're going to use the formula. I have it listed here on this page because sometimes we need it and sometimes we don't. This one says how long are 3 half-lives. Therefore, I'm not going to use this formula because it is only used to measure grams or amount remaining. Well, you can solve for initial amount as well as n, but you don't need to do that for my class. 1 half-life, a half-life for carbon-14 is 5,730 years, and we want to know how long are 3 half-lives. I'm simply going to take 1 half-life and multiply it by the 3. And I'm going to get 17,190 years. So for carbon-14 to go through 3 half-lives, it would take 17,000 years about. This is a good example of a problem that has a lot of information but is not asking you to use the exponential decay function because it's only asking for time.